How to fix subtitles on Amazon Prime Video. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix subtitles on Amazon Prime Video. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for primevideo.com. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and sign yourself in to your Prime Video account and further open the movie or series that you want subtitles in. Now, on the upper right-hand corner, tap on the Audio and Subtitles option. Now, go ahead and select a language in which you want subtitles in, and now play the video and see if your issue was fixed or not. If not, then go back and tap on your profile icon on top and then tap on the Sign Out button. And once you are signed out, log in again by entering your login credentials, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So, this is how you can fix subtitles on Amazon Prime Video. If you find the tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.